in a few weeks I will get time and realize it's right before my eyes, and I can take it if it's what I want to do.
Hello, what a minute, nice to meet you. Got some questions I'm wondering, can you answer? Like, how much longer I do this? How much longer I do this? Till they realize they stupid for overlooking this cool kid. They put me on at parties, jamming my songs. Just play a little bit and I promise you won't go wrong. My music, they steady humming. My lyrics sick to their stomach. I'm still considered a youngin', but 14 hit songs and running. My favorite rapper from C-Dot won't freestyle if you beatbox. My flow cold and this beat hot. You watch me, but I G-Shock. Tweet